Ah, a freaking tank. Look at this freaking thing. What's going on, guys? Bassin' Up Mafia here, out here at the Girl Scout pond. Gonna do a little Girl Scout fishing challenge. Let's see how it goes. Gonna give the old wacky worm a go. Try a Texas rig worm. Little culprit grape worm. Well, might make a couple more casts with this here chatterbait and then might call it a day because it's hot. See if we can get one more big guy on this chatterbait. Nice little Z-Man chatterbait, 3/8 ounce, rigged up with a Baits saucy swimmer. Look at that big old koi out there. Where's the fish? Not a bad fish. Decent. Step up right up onto the picnic table and boom, he's on. I reeled him right by that koi and he got scared. Ah, a freaking tank. Look at this freaking thing. Look at that fish. What a beautiful fish. Beautiful Girl Scout pond fish. Freaking tank. On the freaking chatterbait. Right there. One last look and get this big girl in the water.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
chatterbait.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I think we're gonna call it a day now. Caught 3 or 4 fish. Chatterbait did the job on all of them. Stay tuned for more.